I'm April McMurtrey, the developer of the Learn Reading program, and I know that there are a lot of teachers out there who will have to wear masks this year, and so they will be unable to show the shape of their mouths when they are trying to teach the sounds of the alphabet. So I'm going to offer my mouth to you unmasked so that your students can see the shape that your mouth should be in when you make those sounds. I will be saying the most common sounds of all of the graphemes and the short sound of the vowels, and then I'll repeat those short sounds of the vowels again at the end. Okay, so here we go. A, B, B, C, K, D, D, E, F, F, G, G, H, I, J, J, K, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. And again, the short sounds of the vowels are A, E, I, O, U, I hope that helps.